Hi, my name is Holly Reid of the Master Playbook, and welcome to our Black History Did You Know series. Today, we are focused on Annie Malone, a pioneer in beauty. Now, this woman deserves all the spotlight because she was a successful entrepreneur in the beauty industry before Madam C.J. Walker. Yes, she is often overlooked, but was a trailblazer in her own right. So, to impart the importance of entrepreneurship in our communities, here's a fun activity. Why not support a local minority owned business with your kids this weekend? It's a great way to teach them and to expose them to entrepreneurship and to demonstrate the power of community support. And if you want to stir up the entrepreneurial spirit in your child, check out our book, Teach Your Child to Fish: Five Money Habits Every Child Should Master. We have included it in our Amazon Black History Finds, which is a curated list of all the books and resources we've referenced throughout this series.